What kind of person are you? Do you want to answer this question? So be with me in this video and I will teach you how to describe yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. So today we will talk about 10 words to describe yourself. So before we start, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and let them to know these 10 simple words. So without wasting time, let's start it. So the first one is outgoing. So who is outgoing? What kind of personality it is? Okay, so friendly and willing to meet new people. So, for example, my friend James is outgoing. It means, for example, James likes to be friendly and likes to meet new people, talk about everything with other people. So, the next one is shy. So you have already known about shy. So uncomfortable with other people and unwilling to talk to them. So, for example, I was shy when I was a kid. So when I was kid, I didn't like to talk to other people. I wasn't friendly enough, so I was unwilling to talk to people. So the number three is funny. So, someone who makes you laugh. So, look around yourself. How many friends you have that they are funny? For example, my brother is funny. He tells jokes. Do you have friends, uh, those who are funny? So, if you have, tell me their names. So, the number four is serious, guys. Serious means not joking or intended to be funny. It is somehow, to some extent, is the opposite of funny. So, not joking or intended to be funny. So, you are serious. For example, I was serious. The first day I entered the class, I was serious. Okay, look at the example. He is serious about his job. So, it means that he is serious, not joking, not intended to be funny, not intended to talk to other people, just he focuses on his job. So, now number five, optimistic. So, optimistic is hoping or believing that good things will happen in the future. Yeah? For example, I try to stay optimistic even in hard times. Yeah, being optimistic nowadays is very difficult for people. So, but it needs to be uh, actually trained to be optimistic. So, number six is pessimistic. Yeah, actually thinking that bad things are more likely to happen. It is to some extent opposite of optimistic. So, for example, my brother is pessimistic about exams. For example, whenever he has exams, he thinks about failure. Okay, so number seven, guys, generous. Uh huh. A person who gives money, time, and kindness but doesn't expect to get it back. How many people do you know around you that don't expect you to return what they have given to you? Remember them? Know them? All right, so look at the example. He is generous and helps everyone around him. It means that he is giving time, money, anything, kindness, and also help other people, but he doesn't expect to get it back. So let's go to number eight, selfish. So, a person who cares about himself and his advantage. How many people do you know around you that they are selfish? All right, so look at the example. She can be selfish sometimes, but usually shares. What does it mean? This sentence talks about a selfish woman. Okay, so yeah, for example, sometimes this woman thinks about herself, not anybody else, but sometimes she shares. For example, she goes to restaurant, she shares the bill sometimes. All right, so and number nine, hard working. So a person who works hard and put a lot of effort in work. So as you can see, hardworking person is a person who works hard. For example, she's hardworking and she finishes projects on time. Okay, so she works hard and she doesn't waste any time. So she focuses on her job and do the project on time. So she's hardworking. How many hardworking people you know? Are you a hardworking person? Okay, the last one is lazy. Yeah, a person who doesn't want to work or makes effort to do anything. So, how many lazy people you know? Do you know actually? So, um, he got fired because he was lazy at work. Oh, because he doesn't like to do anything and he just, for example, plays with a computer or checks his phone every moment. So he got fired because he was lazy. All right, so that was the last one. So now it's your turn. You say it. What are you like? Or what kind of person are you? So please leave a comment and tell me what are you like? Are you shy? Are you generous? Are you serious? Okay, so just comment below and leave a comment and tell me what kind of person are you, or somehow describe yourself in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you found it useful, please share, subscribe, and like this video and support us. Have a nice day and goodbye.